everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1971 Chevrolet C10. Yes, it's got all the 68 trim and front clip on it. I've owned a ton of these. You guys probably, if you've watched my videos before, I've had a bunch of stuff. These trucks, you can kind of bolt everything onto them. So it is a 71, but it has all the 68 trim on it. Gorgeous truck, complete frame-off restoration. I guess it's got like 1,300 miles on it since the truck was done. Love the color. I wish we had some sunshine today. This is a Tangerine Pearl, and it is gorgeous. When the sun hits it, it looks like it's on fire. Beautiful paint. Love the wheels and tires on it. He's got the, those are American Racing Rodders. Matter of fact, I had a red 66. I put those wheels on. But just killer truck. Little cowl hood on it. Sits good. It's got, it really runs and drives out really nicely. Really hit the road good. Sits good. Like I said, they've got it lowered down a little bit. They've updated those headlights. Stone peck there. Not a whole lot to really nitpick on the truck. Really just a nice, if you're looking for something to jump in and cruise, I think you'll have a blast with this thing. I just put a few miles on it, and nice and tight, air blows cold, just a good truck. I love the little cowl hood on it. It's got the factory mirrors, tinted glass. Custom bed. They have moved the fuel tank to the center, so it's got a custom fuel tank in it. Jump mark there. Love the stance. Truck really sits good. Pretty color. Love the wheels. Front disc brakes. Nothing crazy underneath the hood. 350 Chevy small block, Edelbrock 4-barrel, Edelbrock aluminum intake. It's got the stock ram's horn exhaust manifolds, bow tie air cleaner and valve covers, power steering, power front disc brakes. Does have vintage AC. It's got a painless wiring system in it as well. Air blows cold. 700 R4 automatic overdrive trans. You can see they powder coated the inner fender wells black. Frame's all powder coated black. The suspension components in the rear you'll see are all powder coated black. Looks like all that trim's brand new. And dual mirrors. Stuff all looks good. A little stone pipe there. New door handles. Door seams are clean. It's got a, I don't know, a taupey looking gray interior. It's all custom door pads, new carpet. They have also upgraded it to the, I think Seatbelt Plus is a company they're getting these from. It's got the shoulder harness seat belts in it. Bench seat. It's got the chrome tilt column with the sport wheel. It's got a Dakota VHX gauge cluster in it. Tack, gauges, all that's functional. It's got a Retrosounds radio. That works. Padded dash. Flowmaster dual exhaust. 12-bolt rear gear, about a 3.55 gear ratio in it. And they put a custom fuel tank in it. Like I said, all the suspension components under here are all powder coated. Neat truck. Like I say, really hits the road good. Got new floor mats on the way for it, guys. Let's see if we can get that stuff out. Chrome the dash. Air, like I say, air blows ice cold. This is a good truck, man. Nice and tight, hit the road great. Good looking truck. When that sun pops out, you see just the light starting to hit it. The truck looks like it's on fire. 1384 on your odometer. Again, all your gauges are working. It's holding good old pressure down there. Sound. All new blower motor and everything underneath the dash. It works, yeah. It opens and closes nice. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram, our Facebook page, our TikTok page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking that little red button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. You can also do that through our website now.